Two Paws Part 1. Two Paws is a brilliant foundation behavior. It is great for building confidence on varying surfaces. It's brilliant for balance and focus. Two Paws is also a target behavior used in a lot of dog sports as a foundation. Dogs get a really nice stretch from two paws, as you can see. We will look at the muscles in part 2. Two Paws Part 2. For canine conditioning, two paws is a static balance technique and strengthens the core and forearm muscles. This exercise is used in canine conditioning for proper posture. A dog having a strong core is really important, and we often forget how some muscles can be neglected in daily life. This is also a low-impact stretch and is suitable for dogs of all ages. Two Paws Part 3. Static balance requires enough muscle in the lower limbs and trunk to maintain the body erect. Postural sensibility to convey information concerning position. Impulses from the vestibular labyrinth inner ear concerning position. If your dog is seeing a physio or a chiropractor, this is one of the first exercises they will teach you depending on the dog's diagnosis. Some platforms are lower on the floor as they are in dog sports. Two Paws Part 4. With two paws to begin with, we need to begin with luring. This is having the treat in the hand. We also need to consider the size of the dog and hand placement to set them up for success. Too low will scrunch the dog's body, and too high will encourage for paws. We then reset or break so that they have ample opportunity to repeat the exercise. Two paws on and off and back on can be a little stiff and too repetitive.
Two paws, touch.